Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're welcome and I hope you stay. Today we are going to be making some easy pedicure using press-on nails. Without wasting time, let's just get started. So as you can see, my toenails have been ignored for some time. I will just get my clippers and cut them shorter. I'll come in with my electric file and file the surface and the edges as well. I'll also make sure I file the cuticle area. I'll come in with a dehydrator to clean up the nails. I'll come in with a primer to help the nails stick longer. So I've got my press-on nails here and I'll be using my base coat as glue. So I'll come in with a little bit of the base coat, then push it onto my nails, push it into the cuticle area to give it that natural look. Then I'll cure it under the UV light for 5 seconds just to secure it in place. Afterwards, I'll go ahead and cure them for 60 more seconds. So obviously nobody wants long toe nails, so I'll come in with my clippers and cut them shorter into the desirable length. I'll come in with my file and file the edges and the surface as well. So I like to paint my nail with some aqua green, and I'm using this gel polish from AliExpress. I'll just come in with the first coat. Then I'll cure them under the UV light for 60 seconds. Afterwards, I'll cure them under the UV light for 60 seconds. Then I'll come in with a second coat to make it more vivid. I would like to design my nails with some water decals, so I'll just cut my favorite design and drop it in water, get out the design and put it onto my nail. With my middle nail, I'll come in with some chrome powder. Afterwards, I'll come in with a glossy top coat. Then I'll cure it for 60 more seconds. I'll come in with some cuticle oil to help relax the cuticles. Here we are, our pedicure is all done. As you can see, it was easy to make and it came out looking really good. I hope you're going to give this a try, and if you do, let me know how it comes out for you. If you've not subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share this with family and friends, and don't forget to leave me that big fat thumbs up. Until next time, I am going to see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye!